Stephen Lee, Rebuild Today, Elevation Fitness, singer of Surreal. We are based out of St. George, Utah. And if you've never been here, you should plan a family trip because it is beautiful. A lot of hiking, a lot of athleticism that goes around town.
I got you. Here it comes, dude. Here it comes. Heel toe. Nice. There we go.
Yoke walk. You pretty much pick it up like you're gonna squat or something like that. You get your arms on the outside and that thing sitting over the top of your neck. He was taking big old steps. He was like 3 or 4 involved.
Come on, stay. Shorter step.
Why would I want to watch this video? And it's not necessarily the idea that you'll never achieve that. It's just you gain more experience as you go along. So if you have people who aren't as physically along as some people, they wouldn't be able to give the same tips and pointers because they're still learning. You know, so when you watch these kind of videos, that's the reason a lot of people are already pretty fit and try bringing out these videos, is because they become a little more knowledgeable. We're always learning. There's still stuff that he teaches me, I teach him.
So you're going to start with it down in your lap?
Yeah.
Okay. You have it rest. I mean, you stick your stomach out so you're kind of creating a show. Have it tighter, closer to your body. Okay. Up. And then have your elbows high. Nice. Have it up. Elbows high, Steve.
Got it.
Nice.
I've been waiting for that, dude. You haven't had that one time?
Save it up for the warm farm.
Gotta put my hat backwards on for this. Come on.
One more. I got a match that.
Shoulder would give it.
I got a match that.
Toughest part's getting there. Yeah. Elevation Fitness. If you are in the St. George, Utah area, please come out. Join us. We would love to have you. My fortune said, good beginning is half done. You know, they're made in America, but they speak the truth.